Right now we are in the beautiful marina town of Portimao. These lovely fountains behind me, and palm trees looks very exotic, and the river. We went to the water park this morning for a few hours. Now we are just exploring this town here before we head off to a beach for our final sunset Zoom walking trip. I'm assuming tomorrow evening. Tomorrow we will be in Algarve. I have my suitcase today, but we will explore the city, and then we'll sleep at night in the airport, editing stuff till our 7 PM flight. Yeah, Portimao today after going to a water park this morning. So we finished off in Portimao and we're now here at Algarve beach, just kind of chilling in the sea, shooting bits, waiting for sunset, and we'll head back to Algarve and go to the restaurant for dinner, finish off our evening. I'm going to send the drone up in a minute, get some drone clips, but another beautiful beach, as every beach in the Algarve seems to be. One of these hidden away cove type beaches. It's technically split in two, because on this side, and then on the other side of that rock, there's another beachy bit. Kind of two beaches here, divided in the middle, stairs down from the car park, and yeah, filming on the GoPro, vlogging on the GoPro for I think the first time on the trip. So thank you all very much for watching this little mini Algarve series, and I hope you enjoyed this cinematics there. That was one of my
proudest sequences which I've produced from this trip, including footage from the Canon 200D, the Lumix GH5, and of course the Mavic Mini drone, and the GoPro Hero 9 actually. But unfortunately that does bring the trip to the Algarve to an end. We did have an extra day there, but we just spent that on the beach in the morning and then went back to Faro and spent the night in the airport waiting for our early flight in the morning, so I didn't vlog that. This is my last vlog from the Algarve. I've got a couple new series coming up. I hope you're looking forward to them. If you are, remember to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and if you do, remember to turn on post notifications so you never miss a video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.